Hey everyone, welcome again. As you can see, today I'm painting Asiatic Lily again. The reason is the color and patterns of this beauty that inspires me to do so. So let's start. I have already sketched it, but a bit differently. So first of all, I'm going to use shades of orange and burnt sienna, reddish orange shade all over this flower. Now I'm going to use a darker shade of red on the tips of the petals and inside the inner edges of the petals. Just few zigzag strokes coming outwards. Repeat the same pattern on each petal with the same strokes, leaving the center of the petal. Just apply red color on the inner and outer edges of the petal. Now I'm going to use maroon color on the petals, especially the petals which are a bit outwards, which are covering the back side of the flower. Use more darker color on those petals because we are going to show the depth and we are going to show the shadows. Now I'm using maroon color on the inner edges of the petals and outer tips of the petals, showing the depth. This color will show the depth of the flower. You have to use this color to show the inside part of the flower and to make the veins of the flowers. Now I'm highlighting the parts near that maroon color. I'm highlighting them with a sharp red color, filling the gaps, giving it more dense look. You can use any color you want to experiment. Just go with the flow. Whatever you like, you can add. I'm going to fill this up with a little more red, darker red shade on the top of that, the one we used before. Now I'm using black color in some parts of the petals, just highlighting the darker areas with black color. I'm using pink shade to show the lighter parts of the petals where the light is hitting, or the shiny parts. I'm not going to use directly the white color because it will look so odd. I used white color for the filaments, and now I'm using my fine liner to highlight the veins inside the petals. Highlighter or fine liner would be better to show the veins because it makes a very crisp and sharp lines inside the petals, and I always like to do so to give it a more realistic look. I'm using lighter brown shade for the stems. Highlighting the stems with black color. Now I'm going to cover the leaves first with the lighter shade of green, sort of olive and teal mixed. And now I'm highlighting the parts of leaf with darker green. Just making strokes. Adding a bit black to give a very crisp. Okay, so here I'm done with the picture. I want to give it a more interesting look. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a background, which I always do. And I don't know it looks good or bad, but I'm going to experiment. I'm using black color. Hopefully it will look good. Let's see what happens. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about the background? It looks good or I just ruin it? Thank you guys for staying with me, loving me and supporting me. Please subscribe my channel if you like my video. Thank you. Bye.